Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Riz. I am so excited today, guys. Today is road trip day. I am heading to PA, Pennsylvania to go snow tubing. So I wanted to take you guys along with me for the ride. So let's go. Walking to our room, 240. Let's see what it's getting. I don't think it's small at all.
Two beds, nice.
Nice. Guys, I was a little worried. It was on like a road called Motel Drive, and that in itself had me stressed out.
I called this bed.
So guys, this is the view we have from the second floor. Honestly, even though it's a bunch of trees, I like it. I don't know what I was expecting because the hotel is on a road called Motel Drive, so I was just kind of nervous. I don't know what to expect, but I don't know. The room is pretty nice. It's very clean. And honestly speaking, I'm just loving the view because it's giving community. We are not like stranded somewhere on a like, I don't know, secluded motel road, which is what I thought it was gonna be. We have a gas station like across the road, a couple of restaurants, like fast food places too. So yeah. So the sink is outside of the bathroom. I'm guessing this is to give the bathroom a little bit more space. Super clean. What are you thinking? I like corny jokes like that. Strong door. So this seems to be the pool area. Now the water, to me, depending on where you're standing, it either looks blue or it looks green. Talking to the front desk, they said that they clean the pool very often. The issue is the bottom of the pool needs to be repainted. See how it looks a little blue now? Like when you stand in a different light. But they said the bottom needs to be repainted and they're working on getting that done. So this is what it looks like. It's heated in here, it's extremely warm. There's also a nice cute patio section out back. I'll show you guys a little later. So guys, we finally made it to Pennsylvania 2 hours later. The drive was pretty nice. Like I thought I was gonna be a little stressed about it. I don't normally make like long drives, but it was fine, pretty much good. And we are getting ready to head to the pool before we head out to Blue Mountain. As you can see, even though we're here for a quick getaway, I did a lot of overpacking. I just really wanted to feel like, you know, in my brain, I'm on a vacation, even if it's one night. But I overpacked so much that I forgot my bathing suit. So I do not know if I will be making it to the pool today. I'm trying to think if I should even go grab a bathing suit at like a Target or something. But I might sit this one out.
Doesn't really make sense to go to Target. Target's like all the way down the Target's like a few miles. That's, yeah, it doesn't really make sense.
Pretty much. So I'm just gonna unpack my snowsuit and stuff and get ready for Blue Mountain.
Gearing up. Yeah, gearing up. Yeah, gearing up. Yeah, gearing up. What you doing? You doing the hopscotch dance?
Yeah.
She looks so hyper, but watch when she goes.
I'm so excited!
But watch. You a model?
So guys, I'm all layered up. I got on like 3 layers because I just want to make sure I remain semi-warm. It is like 8 degrees outside, so I'm layered up. I got on my snowsuit on. So guys, we finally made it. I am beyond excited. Blue Mountain's back there. See a little bit of the snow. If you squint. I'm excited. Let's see what we get into. Dang, it really is so cold out here.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, take 2. So we actually were in the wrong portion of the resort. And we had to get back in the car to drive to the snow tubing section. Like, it's a whole section a whole mile away. But we are here. We made it. You can see it in the background. We are getting ready to go down this tube, man. Thank you.
Go ahead!
So guys, it is honestly really cold out here, beastly cold. So the hat had to go on. Too much playing cute, the hat has to go on. The light show has started. Y'all, that kind of hurt my butt a little bit. I had to kind of squeeze and lift up my hip, but it was really fun. Going back up. So guys, this one looks like it's a little bit more taller. We're gonna try this one.
Go catch him, don't worry.
He's scared. So guys, I had such an epic time. It was so fun. I'm a little discombobulated right now. I was trying to get in 2 goes, like 2 rounds before our time was up. But I had such a good time. It was so fun. I definitely have to do this again. And I have to go skiing and snowboarding. But thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.